Hi, now I will presenting to you about Proton Holdings PhD. Proton is a Malaysian automotive company and automobile corporation. Proton officially established in 1983. Nowadays, Proton become a key driver of national development in Malaysia. Proton vision is to be a successful Malaysian automotive manufacturer globally. While the mission is in their pride lies the vital energy that drives us forward and forces us to take on new challenges. Here is the organization chart. They have a chairman, directors and senior manager. Logistics and supply chain management practices. Strategic supplier partnership. Strategic supplier partnership is a relationship between two or more commercial enterprises. Proton Malaysia also having their own strategic supplier partnership in the source of quality, long-term relationship, continuous improvements, jointly solving the problems together and so on. One of the supplier partner of Proton is Mitsubishi Motors Corporation and Mitsubishi Corporation. Proton entered a collaboration with Honda where the company have high-quality supplies. Number 2, customer relationship. Customer relationship is the development of an ongoing connection between a company and its customers. Proton has a good relationship with customer and also have their own loyal customers. These are the customers always loyal to Proton brand. This is because the value that they provide to their customers. Third, information system of Proton. According to Proton, they also have their own few systems which can be used or can be accessed by the customers and also the employees. Proton is using point of sales (POS) system. POS is the time and place where a retail transaction is completed. Proton having the special information system where all over the Malaysia only Proton do have sword system. SARD is a system which Proton use to as a software. They use the software as a database of their customers' information. Next, Proton Holding Berhad use fourth party as providers. Proton Holding Berhad open a subsidiary called Proton Adar SCM PhD. Proton Adar collaboration with logistics provider, Consortium Logistic PhD. Proton Car become more competitive in the market because fast delivery system and centralized supply chain center. The hubs will standardize the pre-delivery inspection of all Proton car and then ensuring fast delivery of cars for domestic market. It also keep the perfect customer service for customer to maintain the loyalty of customer to Proton car. Number 5, cooperation with competitor. Here is cooperation between Proton and PROTON. Proton and PROTON is the two main local car makers in Malaysia. PROTON was already cooperating with Proton in the development of engine car. They have claimed over 70% of the market in Malaysia. Next, cooperation between Proton and Geely. Proton wish to export Proton car to China market because the market is big. Geely is the global automotive company in China. Proton can use the technology and platforms from Geely to produce new model of Proton car. Number 6, postponement and VMI. Implementing the postponement strategy will reduce several inventories across the whole supply chain. A good example can for Proton Holdings Berhad that dealers have to maintain inventory of cars of the same model with different colors. A VMI or vendor managed inventory program from Proton is customized to meet customers' specific needs. 7.0 Performance measuring. In the last years, several and new productive arrangements were implanted in the Malaysian automobile industry. Those improvements have two basic implications for auto parts suppliers. The intense change in the relationship with Proton Holdings Berhad opens a vast field of studies regarding the stage and characteristics of supply chain performance measurement. In conclusion, Proton is the most valuable asset for all the companies in their group. A strong and well-managed brand at every point of contact with customer and business associates provides the cues that distinguish them from their competitors. Nowadays, Proton has been the national brand of Malaysia and it also export to another country.